We promised pancakes, and we are going to fulfill that promise with Chef Alex Guarnaschelli. She found a sweet way to give back.
Yep, it's called Stacks for Giving Back, and we're about to mix it up right now. Hello, Chef.
Hi. Look at, she's ready with the strawberries.
Let me cut.
You really?
The least I could do.
Let the expert handle.
Let me show you. No, you're the expert, but it's the only thing I'm capable of doing. So you're going to give me something I'm not going to be able to do, and then I'm going to screw it up. So
I am hoping to, considering on Food Network so many times I'm given something I don't think I can do in the time given.
45 minutes to make a lasagna.
Yeah, right.
Oy.
Could you make, you know, a mole?
I want to know why it takes more than 45 minutes to make a lasagna real quick, though, because that's I'm like a 20-minute lasagna. I'm like, and boom.
You buy it?
The stove first.
Exactly.
Heat and serve? I had a feeling. I'm starting to understand.
I know,
now you
it's
see,
a very sad
how
life.
it works. All right, what are we making?
Show us how to do things.
So this is my cornmeal pancake recipe. I think when I think of firehouses, first responders, I think America.
Yeah.
I think pancake breakfast. I think of American ingredients. To me, corn is one of America's great ingredients. So I'm making a cornmeal pancake. Or actually, you're making a cornmeal pancake.
See?
So I like, you can do either way, but we've got
You
3
beaten
eggs.
It's
Right in there. Look at this.
Look
how good I am at this.
Little buttermilk in there.
Yep.
Now here I have confectioner's sugar, baking powder, flour, and cornmeal, and you're whisking. We're walking.
We're walking. Is confectionery sugar, that's just powdered sugar, right? Or is that different?
Same thing.
Okay.
And it's sugar with a little cornstarch in it, which helps.
Yeah.
And then to this whole mixture, here, you pour it in.
Yeah.
Pour it right in there.
One of the eggs is beating, the other 2 are not.
Well, put some elbow grease in there,
I'm trying to do my best
Come
here.
on.
You're doing a great job. And
so
then
much.
this right in there, let's freak him out.
Yes, get nuts.
And then what we do is whip some egg whites and we mix those in. That's really, hey, you're doing good.
You got a full.
And you're wearing like a black sweater and it's clean.
Yep.
I am impressed.
I just inhaled some of the, feel like Pablo Escobar.
It's like an 80s movie around here. So
is it a fallacy that the first pancake is always just
no, it's true.
It is true, right? Because I always screw up the first pancake.
That's the one you eat.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
You know,
you're doing quality control.
You start with the first pancake and you just say, no one's going to see this one.
Right.
So why might
no
as well?
one will. You know, we will never. Pulp Fiction. We'll never speak about
We'll
this.
never speak of this again.
It's like
you
the
know
marriage.
that kind of thing where
We
you
shall
just.
never speak of this,
You know.
Okay, now what is happening?
So then, you know, in lieu of the maple syrup, a little Nutella, and then fresh fruit. And I love this as part of a whole breakfast.
Yeah.
Pancake breakfast at the firehouse, a
Oh,
complete
yeah.
thought. So the fresh fruit, the Nutella, the pancakes with the cornmeal. It's a really, and these pancakes, you cook them for a number of minutes, like 5-6 minutes, so they're really floofy and high.
I was gonna say, this is.
Do you have a strong arm? Are your arm strong?
Yeah,
This is not easy.
I did not need to go to the gym.
I think you're done. You did a good job.
It's blended.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you so much.
I think you did good.
It's amazing that we can't cook in this studio, so we're just we just make the batter and just sits here.
You know what?
So sad.
This is not.
This looks nice.
Yeah,
I
it's
like it.
gorgeous.
You don't need to really do a lot of cooking to get something done. I love this recipe. It's simple.
I can't wait to dig
good.
in. Thank
It's
you
good.
so much.
Can you give it to my kids? They're in the conference room right now, and they actually they don't have blood. They just have Nutella.
Will you let me know if I'm chopped or not?
I will. No, you're good. No, you're in. You're in.
Alex
You won.
Guarnaschelli, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for providing us some breakfast.
Absolutely.
It's a great initiative. If you want to learn more about Stacks for Giving Back, nominate your local fire department and visit NutellaStacksForGivingBack.com.
Yep.
Do it.
Do it.